Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to make an origami craft to show a rainy day transforming into a colorful rainbow. First of all, we need to mark an A4 size paper into 3 equal parts. Fold the paper from the left and the right over the mark. Once we are done folding, now it's time to draw a rainy day. The rainy day is ready. Now we have to draw a rainbow inside of the paper. We have to draw 7 curved lines, as we know that rainbow have 7 different colors. in the fixed order of color bands. To make a perfect rainbow, we should also take care of the order of the bands. The lowest band in the rainbow is always of violet color. Violet. Above the violet color is an indigo band. Above the indigo band is a light blue band. Above the light blue band is the green band. Green. Above the green band is yellow band. Above the yellow is the orange band. And above all the bands is the red band. I hope you liked my video. If yes, please press the like button, comment below the video and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. Bye bye.